Welcome back to one more episode from Jake West, and today we are doing a street food walk. This is at Laydale. I also have Mr. Arjun. We are also waiting for others to join in.
This is Natural Kudla Food.
Okay.
It's a cart that's outside Lady Hill Aloysius Boys School, and it's been over here run by Mr. Harish Suvarna for the past 5 years. Okay, fine. Today we have mutton pepper with parota. We are also supposed to have mutton liver, but that's apparently only on Fridays. We're going to change the name soon to something maybe Harish Canteen or Suvarna Canteen, but for now you can see the board, it's Natural Kudla Food. Other than this, he also serves chicken pepper, chicken sukka, biryani, kebabs, and mutton clear soup, and parota, neer dosai, omelette.
Oh yeah.
So yeah, basically a lot of non-veg snacks. Vegetarian options are few, but they're close by.
Oh yeah.
I mean, in other carts you get vegetarian also.
So here it's only non-veg.
Here it's just mostly non-veg.
Oh yeah.
So as you can see, this is the mutton pepper. He's tossed in a lot of coriander, and we're trying to move that away from the meat pieces so that we can make the meat pieces out.
Yeah. How many pieces according to you? Meat pieces?
There are 4 meat pieces.
4 meat pieces. Yeah.
So yeah, we're just gonna have to see. I asked him to add a little more gravy. Let's see how this goes.
It's time for a picture.
Yes, let's go for it. Got a strong element of ginger garlic.
Okay.
Pepper's there,
Okay.
but pepper doesn't supersede everything else.
Okay. Is it spicy? What's the spice?
Spice level is surprisingly it's moderate.
Okay.
I'd say it's around a 6 out of 10.
Okay. Sorry about the background noise. It's very loud. Okay. We just had the mutton pepper and 2 parotas. The mutton pepper was 90 and the parota was 10 each. Overall review, the taste wise, the the taste was good, but gravy was less, and there was only 4 small tiny pieces, which I felt like it was not worth it for $90. What do you think, Arjun?
The quantity of the meat wasn't very problematic, but it was very tough. The meat was tough and it required a lot of chewing. And we got one segment of bone in which there was marrow, and the marrow was marinated well.
Yeah, which you had.
Which I had. So overall, I had more meat than this guy.
Okay, that's understandable. Most probably that made my...
That might have made him think that the meat is less, but meat is not that less. However, 1, it is a bit tough. 2, the gravy is not enough, and yeah, that's about it.
And the gravy wasn't that thick.
The gravy wasn't very thick, it wasn't enough, and the meat was a bit tough. I'd say that those are the only complaints I have with this mutton pepper.
So total it was 110. Not bad.
Not bad. I'd say the gravy didn't have a predominance of pepper. It had more of ginger, garlic, and green chilies and onions, as compared to the namesake spice, which is pepper. But I have no complaint.
Yeah, they should have had more pepper though.
I mean, to each their own. Some people like a hint of pepper, some people like a lot of pepper.
Okay. So I have a higher spice tolerance. What about you?
Medium.
Medium.
You'll see at the next place. Come.
Okay. It's the second place. Hot chili. Yeah, we are having a spice challenge today. Are you ready?
Basically, the China village is near Chefs. This is the second branch.
The one above
Right next to Chefs.
Next to Chef. We have 8 or 8.
तेल इस तरफ उछलेगा?
इसमें नहीं उठेगा, जब वो ग्रेवी स्टार्टर बनाता है ना
हाँ।
तब वो चलता है।
I'll remove, huh?
Garlic, that is ginger.
So this is garlic and this is ginger.
Aji sunti.
Keep them together, bro.
And this is ginger garlic.
Bro, bring it closer.
So we had a lot of food items actually. This is the first spot. These guys ate earlier, but we joined in later because it was raining. We tried chicken ginger, we tried chicken garlic, we tried the noodles and rice combination. Didn't like the noodles and rice combination, honestly. It smelled a bit. But the ginger, the garlic and the kebabs were amazing, and prices also are like 140 rupees for the ginger, 140 for the garlic, and if you take Manchurian and other
130.
items are 130, and kebabs are 20 rupees a piece, huge pieces. So mixed feelings about the
And how much
place.
was the rice?
Rice was 130 again, I guess.
Okay.
130, but
Not worth it, yeah.
Not worth it.
It's better to have triple rice, and we should have.
Better to have triple rice. We thought we would be ordering triple rice, but
Yeah.
then we realized that there's something called combination rice and triple combination rice. So we didn't specifically mention it. So we got some random rice.
Okay. So it's triple rice without the gravy and omelette.
Yeah.
They are going for the next place, that is Jyoti Dairy. So this was the food walk for today. I just tried two places. I'm ending the video right now, and that's it for today, guys. If you like the video, please do like, share and subscribe. See you on next street food review.